Today was fantastic. We've been visited by the Taiko drummers. We just feel really lucky to be able to invite people back into the school. And so the young people with whom I work, they love art, they love expressing themselves, they love dancing and music. We feel it really helps develop their confidence, and it can also help engender a really enthusiasm for a lifelong love of the arts that they can carry forward once they leave school and have a fulfilled life immersed in it. And yeah, quite frankly, we had a lovely morning.
I really enjoyed the Taiko drumming. I like about when the ladies dancing and drumming at the same time.
It was great when they got faster and faster, wasn't it?
Yeah. It was really good.
For me, whilst I loved the performance and the ladies were incredibly talented, what I really find enriching is observing my own class and the other groups we were able to invite along. And it was lovely to see some of the young people who perhaps in the past have found loud noises and not so much crowds, because naturally we kept the numbers low, but just situations are such challenging for them. And I saw some real progress from some young people today, engaging in and immersing themselves and feeling really comfortable in an environment that maybe once upon a time they wouldn't have. And it was just lovely to see the smiles on the children's faces. It was great to see the adults enjoying the performance, and essentially the talent of the performers was excellent, but for me, as a teacher, it's about seeing the progression in those children. We feel really lucky that we've been heavily involved with the Fine Colours project over the last few months or so, and people, keep offering us experiences and opportunities which we're always very happy to say yes to, and we look very much forward to continuing our association in the future.